shim. Praise shim. In advance. If you know, you know. Okay. So don't mind the mess, first of all. And yes, I'm watching Poker Face. It is 11:36 p.m. No, what? April. I'm ahead of time. April 23rd, 2026. I brought the scale downstairs so I can weigh. Well, I just weighed it. Well, I thought it was effing recording, but I guess not. I just put my packing cubes in that vacuum bag in there. I'll show you bastards. So, you aren't the bastards. So good. That was a great check. Mine's for my anxiety. I'll show you what I did. What I have in here. What I did last time was I just weighed myself. I'll show you what didn't get recorded because what the F. So I'll show you what I put in my bag. Okay, probably should use the other handle, knowing how sensitive this is for all this heavy stuff. And then there's a So I put this tote bag that I'm gonna be bringing. I don't know. I have this cute little, it's not little, but I have this cute pink purse that I got from the thrift store. It's about the size, pretty much similar size. So I think we're gonna use that as my personal item and put, you know, heavy books and my other packing cube that has like my toiletries stuff in it, of course, so I can have that handy on deck in the plane. This is like random toiletries, makeup kind of accessories and stuff. Just wanted to see if it, like, how heavy, you know, just test the weight. The more the merrier type deal. I don't know what's actually going to go all in here, but now I know that I could theoretically put all my clothes in here and then put shoes and everything else that's heavy. Just everything, yeah, everything else, like spices or conditioner and things that I don't have to worry about condensing down to only 3 ounces. Making sure that when I put those in there, it's not going over 50 pounds. And then this is my packing cubes with my, what is this? This is tops? No, this is like undergarment bra, pajamas, like small shorts, sports bras, stuff like that. This one is like crop tops, mostly tops, sports bras. Yeah. And then this is skirts and shorts and some pants, as much as I can fit in them. And then I have these dresses that I'm gonna try to get the stains out before I go. If not, I'm gonna have to get the stains out when I get there because these dresses were too cute not to bring. Also, one of them is so phony from a phony fast fashion website. So, like, they suggest bringing throwaway clothes. So obviously, that's one of them. I'm not gonna give them a shout out because we don't do free promo over here. We're a sponsorship girly. I don't do OOTDs. I will be doing those, but not for places like that have sweatshops in Bangladesh. If you know, you know. So, yeah. And I mean, go with the flow. I usually like to be organized, but not all that much when I come on camera. Now do it be, because you know I really be getting the shits and giggles, or I be up to my wits end, or let it get up to my wits end about my like criticizing, self-criticization of my filming, how I want to film, edit, blah, 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 lack of editing, procrastination from not filming at all, da, 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 da. So, you know, you get what you get, psych. But not psych. It's my channel. But no, if I'm not in the mood to be trying to emulate Naomi's editing, directing skills, then hi, I'm Senpai Offset. This is my channel, and we keep it more raw than anything over here. So, real rap raw. And when I go over there and I get some editing skills, or if that's the type of content y'all like to see, sponsor me so I can get a videographer and an editor. And so we'll all have win-wins, except for just me. Now, anyway, period, because that's the energy I'm tapping into immediately, because everything is going my way. To share, don't let anything stop you from, don't let any doubtful ass dendrite or Decepticon or bitch that ain't never leaving this town, city, village they was born in try to tell you how to live your life and where to go to do so. So, tell them, F them, piss off, and yeah, Sag life energy. We traveling because I'm a digital nomad. Yeah, I'm tapping into my indigenous roots, like my lovely ancestors. Emphasis on the lovely ones that love me, because they're the only ones most valuable. Okay, so I just subtracted my weight than me holding that bag, and I subtracted it to get the sum total whatever difference, and so 444. Not all of that will be actually going in there, so that's good to know that all of that is still under 50 pounds. Knowing that this bag is only about 8 pounds. So I think I'm doing quite good for all the stuff that I know I'm packing a little too much for, but I want to have the luxury of wearing what the F I want, and also what I'm kind of used to, but not really used to, but the things that I saw in the thrift store that made me purchase it because it spoke to me, and I haven't really gotten to wear it, and because I haven't really had anywhere to wear it to, because I haven't really been having a life. Then I'm gonna have places to wear it to, and I'm gonna get on myself about content, and I'm gonna have people to wear them in front of. I'm gonna actually wear the fits I want to rock and wear the clothes I effing purchased and spent money on and invested in, and enjoy how I look and enjoy my body and how they look in my clothes that I wanted to wear. Expressing my best Mies fashion, Y2K, Brett Stahl life. I can never be a carry-on only gal doing a trip for over 2 months. I haven't gotten there yet, but unless it's, and I peeled my lips earlier, guys. That's why they look way better, in case you didn't notice. But you probably, I'm sure you noticed, because how could you not? They were terrible. may still feel burnt. I'll let my spirit decide, but I started making a mojo bag and putting in some goodies for my travels. Oh, you saw a little preview. Yes, for extra protection and prosperity to calm my anxiety, because self-sabotage is the main and only enemy, because it's the only enemy. So truly, anyway, if it rhymes, it's true. Anyway, I'm gonna do it again. Whoa. Do not lock the sound alive, but I kind of have to grab it like that. How else? Okay. So now I do this. I can put my shoes in here. I'm only taking about 4 pairs, like 3 pairs, and then obviously the sneakers I'm gonna wear to the airport, and then I'm bringing like long flight tips and hacks and stuff, and advice. And everyone was saying like bring like some slip-on slides or something like for the plane, but it was recommended to like, you know, wear sneakers, closed-toed, whatever, through the airport and whatnot, yada yada. But yeah, so if I do that, wear my new thrifted Nike sneakers, I believe they are Nikes, to the airport, and then casually slide them off when I change into my comfy clothes on the plane. And I put comfy clothes in here, like most of this, that looks like all one thing, is a pair of lounge pants that I'm gonna bring for the plane to change into, and I should put some underwear in here too, and I have a top and some shorts, so underwear would be the last thing, and then no bra because it's too long of a plane, and we want to be the most comfy we can be overnight flying, you know. So that's not really going in there, but yeah, so I'm probably gonna wear one around my neck, have one, my other regular neck pillow probably attached to my carry-on. I don't care, but nobody about to say nothing to me, and I'm getting on with every single thing that I bring to the airport with no extra fees, because that's what I'm claiming and manifesting. I don't care if my carry-on is 24 inches. It's getting on that plane as a carry-on. So, but I'm flying American, not like Spirit, where, you know, they crusty, so damn cheap, poor, whatever they call it, the bargain flights, whatever, bargain airlines, whatever they call them, budget airlines. So this is not that. What was I saying? This is not that. I'm not too pressed about them, like trying to actually put my bag in the size thingy, because I've never had that. But this is my first time checking a bag, but I'm not claiming any baggage issues. So it's gonna be smooth sailing with my bags and luggage and getting them to Thailand with me, all in one piece, all together now. Could you sweat it now? Hey. You know, when Scott sends me a song, we in divine alignment. So I said when I say it, it's true. Ashe. Make watch and praise God in advance. What Marvin Sapp say? Praise her in advance. Shem. Praise Shem in advance. If you know, you know. Okay, so starting to feel a little delirious, but it ain't that late. Practically when I first got it. And it was only about 8 pounds. So this was 12.2. I guess I'll show you guys. So 12.2, and then I weighed my other like packing cubes that I've completed so far with my clothes, the rest of my clothes in it. Despite these like 2 dresses, and then the outfit I'll actually have on, like the tracksuit or whatever I'll wear to the airport. Maybe I'll probably wear that to the airport and then get cozy on the plane with what I packed in this what you call it, it's a pillowcase. It's a like plain pillow, that you, neck pillow that you can stuff, a stuffable one. And it's still not focusing. All this hype about this damn back camera, and so yeah, I got that from the thrift store, of course, like most of the stuff I own, and because I'm a thrifty girl. Capricorns unite. We love a good bang for our buck. But yeah, so far it's looking like I can put all of my clothes into this big old check bag and not worry about it being over 50 pounds. But I can go get my clothes and actually check that out. Let's see.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie.